Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how we can incorporate Adobe Creative Cloud into your Gmail. As you can see, I'm right here on this page. I'll have the link on the description so you can just go there, click and install it. As you may see, I've got already installed, that's why I've got it here and install. And it's super easy, it only takes a couple of seconds. It's 2-3 clicks and you're good to go. So I'm going to jump to my Gmail and I'm going to tell you exactly how it looks like. So I'm going to my Gmail, I'm going to compose, obviously I'll put the recipient and subject, and right here what we've got is the Creative Cloud symbol, add Adobe CC assets. If I click there, I'll get the list of everything I've got on my Creative Cloud that I want to share. And why this is an awesome feature is because sometimes you get to one point that you want to share a folder and then you need to go and open your Creative Cloud, copy the link, create a link, and then go back to your emails and then paste it onto your emails. So it takes time, and time is money. So I'm going to insert one photo and automatically it will go there. And as you can see, this is how the recipient will get the email. So I'm going to click open link in Adobe. And as you can see, even though I'm not logged in on my Adobe account, as you can see right here, I still can download and view the image. As you can see, super cool, super easy, and very, very awesome. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video with everyone you know, and even with those you don't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.